Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation. I am Subalashmi Rao from Ambika Prasad Research Foundation, India, and today we are going to continue about the Indian Wildlife Act 1972, and today we are going to discuss some of the functions of Tiger Conservation Authority. And let's start. So we are continuing our chapter 4B, that is National Tiger Conservation Authority of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So in this section 38O, the act actually discusses about the powers and functions of Tiger Conservation Authority. So here are some of the powers and functions given to the authority for the smooth running. Like they have the power to approve any tiger conservation plan that is prepared by the state government, and they also have to evaluate and see that if the area which is selected as tiger conservation uh, reserve should have sustainable ecology, that is there is no mining or any industry or any other project going on within the reserve, and they also have to uh, give some rules and regulation for the running of the tourism, or if someone is visiting from outside for the project, that is the project tiger, and how in which area they are allowed, in which area they are not allowed. That is also decided by the Tiger Conservation Authority. Like they do not allow people to enter the core area of the reserve, and with special permission only they can enter those areas, and they have to actually provide information on the protection measures that they have taken for um, the safeguarding of the tigers, like are there any future conservation plan, or are there any other surveys or patrols going on inside the tiger reserve to see the status of the habitats and the population of the tiger inside the reserve. And they also have to approve or monitor the tiger and their co-predators or prey or the habitat, or all the ecological aspects that plays a very important role in the uh, maintenance of the population of the tiger inside the tiger reserve. And they also have um, to support the tiger reserve management in the state for biodiversity conservation initiatives, and they have to also ensure support to the scientific or any uh, tech, technic, techno, engineering or technical teams that are going inside the reserve for so that they can do their duty properly. And the Tiger Conservation Authority have the right to exercise their powers uh, under this chapter, and they can write any uh, person, officer, or authority for the protection of the tigers inside the tiger reserve, and those persons who are selected by the authority have to comply some directions and given by the authority. Now, in 38B section, it discusses about the procedure to be regulated by Tiger Conservation Authority. So, the Tiger Conservation Authority have to meet from time to time at a particular place, um, as the chairperson of the authority seems fit, and they have to uh, go over the meetings, and if the chairperson is absent um, in the meeting, then vice chairperson have to attend the meeting. It's compulsory, and the authority has their own procedure that is to be regulated. And next is 38Q section, which discusses about the grants and loans to Tiger Conservation Authority and constitution of fund. So the central government um, actually allows some grants to Tiger Conservation Authority, and that is based on the requirements of the tiger reserve. And a fund actually has to be uh, created by the authority named Tiger Conservation Authority Fund, and the grants and loans to the authority by the government is made into this fund, and all the fees and charges received by the Tiger Conservation Authority under this act also goes to this fund. And uh, the authority also can receive some money from other sources if that is necessary, and that is to be decided by the central government only. And the fund that is said here, it gives the salary to the employees, allowances, and other remunerations to the members, officers, and other employees of the Tiger Conservation Authority. And next is 38R section, which deals with the accounts and audit of the Tiger Conservation Authority. So here the authority has have to maintain proper records and accounts, and they have to prepare an annual statement, and that is to be given to the central government after the completion of the year. And they have to consult with the comptroller and auditor general of India while they are preparing the records and accounts. And the accounts of the authority has to be audited by the comptroller and auditor general of India at some intervals that is specified by the authority. And the fees that are given to these comptroller and auditor general is to be paid by the Tiger Conservation Authority. And the accounts as certified by the comptroller and auditor general of India or any other person appointed by the authority have to prepare accounts along with the audit report, and it should be annually forwarded to the central government by the authority. Now, in 38S section, it talks about the annual report of Tiger Conservation Authority, and it just says that they have to prepare the annual report in such a way and in such a time that for each financial year, its annual report gives all the full account of the activities that is done in the previous financial year, and they have to forward a copy to the central government. In 38T section, it talks about annual report and audit report to be laid before Parliament. So the central government will receive an annual report along with the action plan of the authority, and they have the right or reasons for non-acceptance also. And after giving all these reports and audit to the central government, if any changes are made, they should be made, and then the audit report along with the annual report has to be laid before the houses of parliament, so for their uh, viewing. So this is all from me today. Thank you for watching.